Another build we did here at Maui Off-Road Center. This is a 2017 Toyota 4Runner, the TRD Pro model. We put a Toytec 2-inch suspension system on there, which consists of coil springs in the rear. The front has actually two pieces, a spacer on the lower part of the strut and then a small other 1/4-inch spacer on the top of the strut. In combination gives you about 2 inches of lift. Gives it a real nice stance. We put some 285/70/17 Nitto Trail Grappler tires on the factory wheels. Keeps them inside and clearance is pretty good. Turned out real nice looking, nice riding truck. If you have any questions about this build or any other builds, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section and be sure to subscribe to our channel.